Hello everyone, it's me, Sir Andy again. Today we are going to find the geometric means between terms of a geometric sequence. So I have here an example. Find two geometric means between negative 32 and 4. So for us to get the geometric means between negative 32 and 4, all we need to do is to find first the given in the problem, and we have a sub 1 which is equal to negative 32. Then the other one is a sub n which is equal to 4. Then after that, of course, we have written already the given. We need to find the following. We have r, a sub 2, a sub 3. So for our solution, we will use the formula in finding the nth term of geometric sequence, and that is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to n minus 1. So since we have already the value of a sub n, a sub 1, and also the value of n, we can find now the value of r. So first step, we will substitute the values of the given in the problem. So we will start. We have now the value of a sub n equals to 4. Then the value of a sub 1, negative 32. Then just copy the value of r. Then we have n minus 1 is, since we have the value of n which is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why we have the equation 4 is equal to negative 32 r cubed. So next step, since we have to eliminate the negative 32, which is the numerical coefficient of r cubed, we will divide both sides of the equation by negative 32. So we have now 4 over negative 32 equals negative 32 r cubed all over negative 32. So since we have the same numerator and denominator at the right side of our equation, we will cancel it out. So negative 32 now at the right side of the equation is cancelled out. So the remaining terms in the equation are now negative 1 over 8, which came from the equation 4 over negative 32. Since we know from that fraction we have the GCF or greatest common factor, which is equal to 4. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and negative 32 divided by 4 is negative 8. So that's why we have an answer of negative 1 over 8, which is now equated to r cubed. So let's continue. Now, to eliminate the cube at the right side of our equation, we need to find the cube root of each term both sides of the equation. So we have now cube root of negative 1 over 8 is equal to the cube root of r cubed. So let us find out what are the cube root. So cube root of r cubed is equal to r, and the cube root of negative 1 over 8 is negative 1/2. Because we know that 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So that's why the cube root now of negative 1 over 8 is negative 1/2. So then we have already the value of r. So it is easy for us to get the value of a sub 2 and a sub 3, which is the geometric means between negative 32 and 4. So let us try to find out what are the values of a sub 2 and a sub 3. We will start with a sub 2. So there, we have a sub 2 is equal to, our first term is negative 32. All we need to do now is to multiply the value of r to our first term. for us to get the value of a sub 2, which is the second term. So we have now a sub 2 is equal to negative 32 multiplied by the value of r, which is negative 1 half. The product is negative times negative is positive. So therefore, 32 times 1 is 32 divided by 2 is 16. So our a sub 2 or the second term in the sequence is 16. How about the a sub 3? So a sub 3 now is equal to the second term, which is 16. Again, we are going to multiply that by r, and the value of r is negative 1 half. So by multiplication, 16 times 1 is equal to 16 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 8. So there, we have already the two geometric means between negative 32 and 4. So if we are going to make the sequence, we have negative 32, 16, negative 8, and 4. So I hope you have learned so much from this video, and again, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like and share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.